Man, you're tough, man. Dump them out. Just dump them out. They're all good. That's the biggest. Yeah, but it matters at the end of the year if he's high.
That one's wild.
Look at Lane, that thing eats you, son.
2.45 big fish.
Chill down, bud.
Because if there's a tie at the end of the year, it goes off your biggest fish of the year. Come here.
Son, that thing flopping, man.
Yeah. They won it last week.
Wonder how many times I've got splashed in the face.
You by,
7.78.
you by yourself, right?
Yes, Tyler McGinty. Just dump them out. Just dump. We got this bucket down here to catch the water. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Son, that was pretty
Good.
Hold down, bud. Hold down.
Are we zeroed?
You zero.
Son! He's getting me.
2.45.
Don't let him.
Smallmouth ain't weighing big today, boy.
Better not do that. Oh.
We had one in here 21 inches. That's 3.5.
No, let him get back up.
They think
Might
weighing.
kill him. He did it now.
Good bag. Good bag.
Fish is 7.9. You can definitely beat you.
Oh, 7.03. Good job, boy. Good bag. All right, here, let's grab them out. We'll go around back and take pictures with them.
Nice work, boys.
I can hold over to 8 pounds.
RJ Cooper. Dang on, boy. That's a big old spot.
That's a damn. That's fun to catch.
Them things fight better than anything. That's a good spot.
This one's called a 2-pound one.
166.
That's a good one.
Big fish in total. Here, take it around bag and we'll get you a picture.
I was just dipping it.
Uh-oh.
Good.
Good. Oh my gosh. They're going to be a good bag. Hunter Parker and Brogan. He'll do good. Hunter and Brogan. I guess we know where to fish. Oh yeah, that's done, boy.
That's a reach. Take a picture. Is that what that is? Stay out of the way.
3.41, biggin.
That's big one, ain't it?
I don't know if it is or not. It's gonna be close.
Pretty little.
You got 5?
Oh yeah, we'll see. Yeah.
Yeah, you got 5. Oh, that adds up. That's a good largemouth.
Yeah.
Gotta weigh it for big fish. Make it was we zeroed.
What's Creek special with me? Oh boy. Yeah, that's what they are, ain't they?
Is that the biggest?
That's the biggest.
No, that's all right. We'll just get you. 2.10, big fish. Couldn't get on no. Smallmouth's tough today.
We call it two. One inch short.
Good job. Around back, we got it where you can take a picture in front of the thing on the back.
All right, got two.
Yeah. Oh yeah, that's a good one. That's a good largemouth right there. Wesley Oliver and Camden Craig. I think they're toward the bottom because they don't never draw a big number. They always draw a low number.
I got you.
Man, we caught 7, but they were all just 10-inch.
Little bitty.
Yes.
You got big fish.
2.56. Maybe a smallmouth 3.5. I don't know who it was.
Oh.
I thought you said Sam had good fishes.
No. 396. Right up.
Here, give me that back.
Here you go, boy. Take your
You
fish.
take the fish.
Take your fish round back. That's a good watermelon for sure. This don't count for the tournament. This ain't part of the tournament. I get to run him around all day, and he don't even get a. He don't. I don't even get a fish. I got to ride around him all day. Thank you.
We can get that fish. Last one. Oh, this is good. You're in.
11:42.
What do you have?